In order to connect your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL to a car, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Now in here in Settings you can choose Connected Devices, then go to Connection Preferences, and at the bottom somewhere you should be able to find Android Auto option. So we can open it. There is a chance that you will need to update Android Auto, so of course you want to do that and then return to this menu. Now in here we can tap on Connect a Vehicle, and we have our first instruction. With the USB cable we can connect our phone to our car in order to immediately start the Android Auto. And in addition to that, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, then in that case you can choose Connect using wireless Android Auto. And over here we have additional instructions where we can press and hold the voice command button to begin setup. You can also use Bluetooth if you want to, so you can choose Connect using Bluetooth. Over here, go to Pair a Vehicle, and you might need to tap on Pair a New Device in order to find the list of available devices, which should also include your car. So you can select it over here in order to try to connect your Pixel 10 Pro XL to your car. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.